from where I sit, there was no cheating, and I request each and every Kenyan, if you have tangible evidence that this is the case, why don't you come forward with it?
Ino ni miario ya Minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu akiregana na riboti iria koretwo igitheremia ati kwari na wuici wa kigeranio hari maumirira maria marekereirio kiumia kihituku ma KSCE, akiuga uyu ni muhuhu na ungikorwo kuri na mundu uri na wuira ucio eyumirie.
We don't have to profile communities because the CS education comes from Nyamira. Why don't you allow others? Today you are a bottom, tomorrow you are up. And we are encouraging, we are a bottom up.
Machogu augite kumana na maumirira ma mwaka wa 2022 kuri arutwo aingi marakinyirie grade ya kuingira university ni undu wa Kenya mafati gukenerera, akiuga niguo kigeranio o giothe gikanjwo gufati gukorwo na wuira muiganu niguo ikinya tari ritacukio.
People saying that Machogu has given anybody an A, would I have been there to deny the Kenyans who got proper A's the opportunity for them to be awarded an A? This is all but propaganda coined by people who don't have proper intentions for our education system.
Akiruguria uheani wa mafuku mathukuri-ini ma muthingi ma thirikari, Machogu augite gutiri na muhingo wothe ukugiriria arutwo gukahingura thukuru mothe wa Jumatatu kiumia tororete, kuona mitaratara yothe ni miarire na makiria ma thukuru 2020 ni ihitukitio guthomithia Junior Secondary, thirikari ikihuthira makiria ma shiringi bilioni 3 hari uheani wa mafuku. We are
today launching the distribution of a total of 17,893,270 copies of runners books and 423,514 copies of the teacher's guide for grade 7. The distribution schedule will run between 30th January and the 17th February. The whole public and private schools are expected to use only the books that have been approved by KSCE.
Hari kigina kia mathukuru, Machogu augite gugikinyiria muthia wa mweri uyu, kigina kia arutwo a grade 7 nigigukorwo kirekererio mathukuru-ini, no kigina gia thukuru cia secondary thirikari iri mutaratara-ini wa gukirekereria. Kamiti ya mwanya iri irathurima mutaratara wa githomo bururi-ini ni kurekereria riboti yayo ya muthia ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite, na thutha ucio Ministry ya githomo ikorwo ikirekereria mwerekera makiria wigi githomo na makiria CBC.
When they say the number of subjects, the number of running areas, most likely they might not be 12, they might come with a number that Kenyan said.
Agikindira ciĩgie uniform, Machogu augite gutire murutani ufatie gutindikiriria muciari na kumwira kuria kugura uniform, akiuga aciari mari na wiyathi wa kugura kuria mundu ekwenda kuringana na uhoti wa muhuko wake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.